There we go. Okay, so I'm going to be practicing a couple licks from this song. I think I'm going to go from the end, because I think last time I practiced this, I went from the beginning, so I want to get the end with good concentration. All right, so there's this nasty, nasty little lick. And I seem to remember it's the reverse of what I did before. Can't remember. Nope, it's a little different. So it's all, each hand does the same 4 notes over and over again until this last triplet at the top. And I thought I was so clever with coming up with the fingering, and I don't like it. I decided to change the fingering on the last one. Oh no. That's right, I kept it the same as I was doing down here, but it doesn't feel good to me today. So I'm going to try this instead. Now I want to be able to do this without staring at the music and keeping track of where I am. There's several different ways I can accomplish this. I could count how many of them I do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it changes. Let's see if that helps. So I'm not going to look at the piano. 1, 5, change. That didn't feel so good to me. Let's see if I can just count the pairs of them. So it'd be 1, 2, 3. That felt much better to me. I think trying to count every single beat felt hairy to me. So let's try this again, hearing it in groups of 2 beats. 1, 2, 3. I liked that much better. Okay, the other thing I should do is make sure that I'm counting. I'm going to do it with counting out loud so that I really know where the downbeat is. So 1, 2, 1. Wow, threw me off. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think that's a useful tool too. 1, 2, 3. I kind of like that way. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I need to make sure I can get into that well. So right before it is different notes. Same starting note. But it's a triad instead of an augmented. Okay, and now with the left hand, what's the left hand doing? Okay, now with counting. Great. There was something I was going to say. I do notice that there's a music term in here I don't know. So I will look that up after I'm done. Back up even a little bit more to get into it. could tell, but I'm trying to memorize that tough lick and not be looking at the piano, because I know that in performance, that's something that will mess me up, because I'm going to be trying to pay attention to the singer as well. Plus I have nerves going. That's going to be adding a little fun element. So as much as I can not be so glued to the page, the better I am. But I will look at the page every now and then too to make sure it won't disorient me. You have to kind of be checking on both counts. Okay. Now, so hard when I have little time. That's the fun of it, right? Okay, I think I'm going to go to the passage that's similar to it, so I know the differences between them. Okay, so this other one is trickier in my book because we have 16ths, and then a sextuplet, and then a septuplet. So I'm going to do add a beat for this. I think that it will help me. I'm going to do add a beat going from the beginning of it. So here's the first beat. Do it again. Feels really good, so I'll do it a third time. Okay. Now I'm going to add the next beat to it. Now I'll add the next beat. Oops. I always like to stop on the downbeat of the next group. There we go. Okay. Now because the next two beats are tricky, I'm going to isolate these next two beats and do add a beat. Now I'm doing add a beat backwards. Yay! Okay, so I started on the third beat. Now I'm going to start on the second beat. 2, 3. Wow, I think that was right. I'm going to look at the music this time, make sure I'm doing it correctly. 1, 2, 2, 3. Okay, so I do it again. 2. It's really interesting. It's really hard for me to count out loud with this, which tells me I need to be doing this more. Yay. So here we go. 2, 3, 4. Ah, that felt much better. So I'll do it one more time with confidence. 2, 3, 4. Perhaps too fast. 2, 3. Before I took my break, I said my brain wasn't working as well today. The fact that I can't do this and speed it up at this point tells me, again, my brain isn't any better, even after a little break. So I'm just going to be merciful to myself today. And I'm not going to beat it too much. I just want to be reviewing things in my head, knowing what I'm doing, making sure fingerings are good, but under tempo. Okay, I'm going to back up a beat now. 1, 2, 3. I think I was having trouble with hand distribution because of the way it's written. Yeah, that's what it is. 1, 2, 3. Back up a beat. Ha, and there it goes. It works now. I'm not going to push my left. I'm going to back up a little bit, make sure I can get into it, but under tempo. Right octave would be good. I had to make myself do that slowly, just saying. Okay, not bad. And I know that that repeats at the beginning, so that's awesome. That actually happens several times. So again, I'm going to do the blocked practice. I'm going to go to the first one I practiced in this piece. Not bad. Okay, that's a section I need to do tomorrow. Lots of octaves. I'm not sure I can play all the notes in there, but that's what I need to look into. All right, my husband's about to teach, so I'm signing off for now.